Good evening, good evening, good evening, dogs. Welcome, 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 welcome. So, welcome to Forex Talk Over here. This is a brand new show. We are December 8th. Yes, December 8th, getting closer to Christmas. So, welcome to the new people. So, Forex Talk Over here is concept, pretty simple concept. We're gonna crack up a beer, okay, and we're gonna have fun together. We're gonna talk about Forex. So, basically, we're gonna break down trades. We're gonna answer some Q&As and talk about specific subjects. So, if you don't have a drink right now, run to the kitchen, run to wherever is your drink, go grab a drink. It can be water, it can be juice, it can be, whatever you guys drinking, wine, shots. Hey, we're going to do the official cheers in just a couple of seconds. So make sure you get ready. So basically what I want you is get your camera ready. We're going to do cheers. You're going to snap a picture. You're going to tag my name on it on Instagram and I will reshare it. All right. And as you come in on YouTube, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe yet. That would be very appreciated. We just reached 4K subscribers, so thank you very much, everyone, for the support. This is very, very appreciated. I know there's a lot of you who's going to be watching the replay. So, hey, if you're having a drink watching the replay, snap a picture also, and we're definitely going to reshare that. All right, so first thing first, let's crack up the beer because, I just got home, literally a couple minutes ago, and I am thirsty, okay? So let's go. So today, you didn't have to choose the beer because this is the beer that was in my, how you call that in English? Like this, hopefully the sound is good, right? Because I've been talking and, hold on, let me go see the comment. Let me just check. Okay, can anyone on YouTube confirm that the sound is loud and clear before I get going? Because this morning, was it this morning or yesterday? No, yesterday's morning, I was muted, I think. And now I shouldn't be muted, but I just want to confirm that. So anyone on YouTube can confirm sound is loud and clear. That'll be great. We're going to get going. So I was just about to ask, hopefully you guys can hear me. So I was just about to ask, what's the word for this, those chocolate calendar? All good? Okay, thank you, George. George actually catch a massive move this morning. Congrats to you, bud. But yeah, so what's the name for the those calendar we give to the gift with chocolate? They gotta open the doors. What's the name in English? In French, it's calendrier de l'Avent. But anyway, so I got basically that kind of calendar, but for beer. Advent calendar. Oh, here we go. Thank you. So I got a beer advent calendar. Okay. So this is the beer for today. So I'm pretty excited. Actually, I had that one before. It's a really good one. So, all right, let's crack it up. There we go. And don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, please. That'll be very appreciated. And we're going to get going with the first breakdown in just a minute or so. All right. Ooh. What a bad pour I did. Yeah, that's not good. Yes, this is not good. All right, so guys, get your camera ready. We're gonna do the official cheers. Snap a picture, send it to me on Instagram, or post it in your story and tag my name on it. That'll be actually better. All right, so let's do it. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. All right. Cheers, guys. All right. Yo, this is amazing. Amazing. All right, let's get going. Let's pull out the chart from this morning. And if you have any question, please write in the chat and I'll go back to the question. Okay, so let's start with the rookie mistake on GJ. Okay, so basically what happened here? Okay, so if you look at the, let's put the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if you look at the 4-hour time frame, all right, so price came up. We created a new high. Why? Because we broke this H4 structure. We broke the high here. We create a new high. So I'm expecting price to come back down in this golden zone and go retest the high. So basically price should go like this, form support right here, and go retest this high, and I eventually create a new high. So this was one of my idea this morning, okay? Or I wanted to break and retest, above this area, because we got clean traffic to the left, right? Sorry about that. I don't even know why they're barking. Next. Sorry, guys. Hey. Crazy. Okay, so let's get back to it. The other thing I was also looking is break and retest under this area. So now if you go on the lower time frame on H1, we got this range, right? So and finally I was like, all right, so maybe we can scalp and move to the downside inside of this area. But hey, never happened, never had the chance, so whatever. Fine price came back up. Okay, so if you go back on the low on a high time frame on H4, fine price at 9 a.m. This is the 5. Okay, so this candle actually, this one right here, this is the one that did close at 9 a.m. right? So this is the opening of the 9 a.m. And price went all the way down over here and started to retrace and broke the high. So I was like, okay. So what I did, actually, on the first candle that was right here on H1. So if you look on, wait a second, this one right here. Okay. So what happened is as soon as we were kind of breaking the high, I actually took an entry. But the problem is I should have waited since the H4. So this is the rookie mistake. Okay. So the rookie mistake is this H4 candle close, yes, nice engulfing. I can expect the NYC volume to push it up. But my problem is we close right under that, right at this QP and still in that zone, right? So I was like, I should have wait for something to break over, and close over. Or wait for the next candle, to come down and break the high. That was a great move. But actually enter when this candle broke this high right here. So this was my mistake. So when this H4 broke this high, this is where I got my entry. But this candle was like, what, 5 minutes before the close. I should have waited knowing that most of the time, this new candle is going to open up. It's going to retrace down first and push back up. This was such a rookie mistake. When I look at it now, I'm like, what the hell was I thinking? So yeah, so this is a no, guys. So especially like 5 minutes before, I mean, just let it close, wait for the next candle to wick down, break the low, and you got a nice trade. If I were to do that, I would be an amazing profit, right? But instead, I took the entry once we broke this H4 high, and this candle was not closed yet. And we actually did close right under or right at QP. So hopefully this can help some people, and you're gonna remember that, especially 5 minutes before the close. I mean, you gotta expect a price. The next candle is gonna wick down first, and especially if you look on, H1, what happened? So this first H1 actually closed bearish. And after that, we started to push to the upside, but after a huge retracement up. But at this time, I was not in front of the chart anymore. And yeah, that's it. So, yeah. And you know what? I gave that trade a second chance. Sorry, guys. Cheers. I gave that trade a second chance when this candle broke the high. And it just went straight down and pulled back up again. So I was like, okay, I'm done. So anyways, so GJ was a mess. So did loss on GJ this morning, but GA was amazing and still pushing down. So that's good. So now let's talk about GA. So GA was in a massive move down. So if you look at the daily, oh wow, look at this daily candle. So if you look at the daily, we were bearish, and if we were breaking this daily support, we were coming down for sure. So right at the beginning, I was actually looking at a break and retest of this major QP, which was this consolidation zone right here to the left side. Okay, so I was actually waiting for break and retest here. Price had so much volume. So if you go on, not so much volume, but so much bearish pressure. So if you go on an H1 candle, see that we're breaking here 7 8 a.m. We broke, finally closed under. So I went and looked on 30-minute, and we had a nice break retest. This candle was too small for me to enter right at the opening of the candle. So I kind of waited for the next candle to break below here. And this is where I got my entry. Okay. First, my stop was right above the wick. And as soon as we start moving down a couple pips, this is where I trailed my stop to 11 pips just above the major QP, because if price was coming back above this line, my trade idea was invalid. Okay, so this is where my stop was 11 pips. And after that, my TP was right at this QP. And the reason why is we had a zone right under it. And I was like, you know what? Let me make sure we hit this zone, the QP right here, the 500 QP. And that would be a pretty good trade for me. And I did secure 90% of the trade at 24. Was it 24, 25 pips? I can't remember. Somewhere around there. And the runner got it full TP. So this was pretty good. So I was pretty happy with that one. This one was classic break and retest. So yeah, should stick with the the classic stuff. It works great. Gold. Okay, let me go check the comment here in questions. So let's see if we have any questions. Hi, Ndio. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. We should be at least, a couple 10 likes at least, minimum. Cheers, guys. It literally take 1 second to click that like button, and it really helps. So let's see. Gold has been moving pretty good at the moment. Yeah, let's go check it out. But yeah, gold, I was trying to grab a trade on gold today, but nothing. It was just playing around. Basically, this was the 9 a.m. candle. It was nice, but I didn't find any entry for myself. So if you look at the lower time frame on H1, I was actually looking for break and retest of this area or this area, or I was expecting price to come down, form support right here, and push back up, right? So here would be a nice entry, but I was not looking at the chart at that time. I was gone. But yeah, but again, it was still a small body candle. If you look on 30-minute, yeah, small body candle also. So nothing really interesting, to be honest. This is a write-off candle. So I don't know. I wouldn't be in that trade anyways, to be honest. So yeah, nice rejection of this major QP right here. I call that major QP $10 increment on gold. It seems to be very well respected. So this is something I'm going to back test during the holidays for gold. But yeah, anyway, so price rejected the H4 golden zone, pushed back up, and now we look like we're playing around. So let's see here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, oh wow, very nice. Very nice, very nice. So we got a nice golden zone right here. So yeah, so if you look on 30-minute, yeah, if this 30-minute candle closed like this, that's pretty nice. No bottom wick, but gotta have a wick here. But yeah, seems to be pretty nice actually. Are we gonna be trading Asian session? I'm kind of tempted. Are we doing it? Fuck it, we're doing it. Let's do it. We're gonna do it. First time on Forex Talk Over Beer. I'm tempted. Never traded gold on Asian session, so I'm gonna be super low risk just for fun of it. Let's do it. I hate that sound. Let me mute that sound. I hate that sound so bad. I'm so sad that they changed the sound of Magic Key. Just like, ugh. I don't know. It's just so annoying. Yeah, let's go with this. That would be a 14 pip stop loss for 25-ish pip gain. Decent. Let's go. Let's see. Can we do this and this? I'm not taking the entry right now as we speak. So I'm going to wait for the candle to close and probably going to wait for price to wick down and break the high. And that's where I'm going to be entering. So let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, that entry on 15-minute was amazing. Oh yeah, this was the entry right here on the break of the high. Ooh, that was nice. This is the only pair I look at 15 minutes, by the way. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this was the entry right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I guess we can put stop like right under here. Yeah, I'm gonna go take a look at that. Can place stop at 1783. There we go. So I'm gonna wait for the next candle to wick down. Here we go. Wick down and break the high. If we do that, I'm gonna enter that trade. So this is a first. So this is our first on Forex Talk Over Beer. So you better smash that like button. So let's see if we can get a win here. What time is it? It's 6:30. Holy fuck! I'm still gonna get screwed in that trade. But that's crazy. It seems to be volume, but usually like there's no volume before 8. Interesting. Let's see. How much is the the spread is big though. Spread is three pips at this time. Whoa. Okay. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so if we break the high, I think I'm gonna bring this stop like I'm gonna go with a super tight stop. It all depends on when we break. So gotta be patient. But in the meantime, actually I'm gonna place an alert. Okay, so let me place an alert here. So if we are coming back up, I'm gonna place an alert here and we can talk about something else. Oh, what? How is that possible? Price didn't go there at all. Like how many pips is that spread? An alert. What? Like, how is this? Wait a second. If price was here, this doesn't make sense at all. You saw that, guys? Did you saw that? I was like, I was like getting alert here, and price was like all the way down here, like twice. So weird. So weird. That looks good, George. I'm tempted, but don't want to overtrade. Hey, man, you got a great win. Don't risk it, man. I'm going super, super, super low risk. So I'm not even excited about it. It's just like, just for fun, you know. Let's see. So stop has to be under here if we do break the high. So 1783, 1783, 47. 1783, 1783, 4. There we go. I should do it. All right. So in the meantime, let's talk about we talk about this. Okay. So let's talk about like something I realized because I don't want to. Friday we're going to talk about more trades. Since that we're trying to do an attempt here on gold, so I'm just going to talk about something that I want to talk about tonight. I realized that I was a little off recently, and the reason why is I'm not doing the things that I was doing before. Okay, meaning I'm not, it's been a while. I put my journaling on the side. I still put my trades there, but I don't do recaps. I don't do annotation. This is something I used to do like every day. Every day I was going over my trade, and it seems like at one point when you seems to get it, you kind of not doing the little things as you were doing. I think it's the same thing as an athlete or anyone that have a certain success in anything. At some point you think you got all figured out and you're like, I don't need to do those things, right? So, and I think that's the biggest mistake that a lot of people do, and I did. And I think I need to go back to basic. I need to go back to basic to be really sharp, like I'm used to be. And do those things. And you know what I'm gonna do starting January is instead of being in front of a computer like for many hours, like not many hours. I mean, I do trade 4 hours max, but instead of being in front of the computer and doing nothing, instead I'm gonna wake up in the morning, look at the chart, see if there's any trade possible at that time. So let's say around 6:30. And if there's nothing possible around 6:37, I'm not gonna start the stream, not gonna start my Zoom with my students right away. I'm gonna go train, take my shower, come back, and start the session. So if there's a trade possible, I'm gonna open up the stream, I'm gonna do it right away. And after that, I'm going to go train. But it is something I want to focus more because it's something I was doing, for a big part of 2021, and kind of stuck a couple months ago. And I think I don't know. I feel lazy. I feel like not on. I don't feel sharp. I don't feel sharp on the chart like I'm used to be. And I think this is something I just realized like a couple of days ago. I was like, man, yeah, I need to get back on my things. So this is me being super honest again with you, like usual. And I think if you're in the same kind of situation, I mean, look at your routine. If you change your routine and you're not having the same result, maybe go back to your old routine. And if you don't have a routine, make sure you get one. Because I mean, it really, really, really helps. Really helps. If you're not journaling, journal, man. Journal your trades because especially journaling, it will stop you from over trading. You know why? Because I mean, journaling a trade takes time. It takes a lot of time to do annotation, write your thoughts, blah, 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 all this. If you have like 6 trades to journal, you want to shoot yourself. You'll be like, fuck, man, this is taking forever. And recently I've been taking a lot of trades, because I've not been journaling a lot. So and I think I need to cut down my amount of trades also. This is something different. I've been a little wild lately. I was on that challenge account, so I was like a little crazy about it. So I think this started a new psychology for me. And this is not something I'm used to do on my live account. And suddenly I'm doing this with my live account. I'm used to be super tight with my live account. So yeah. So anyways, so this is me being again very transparent with you. So it looked like this trade's not gonna happen. Maybe, but it's gonna happen like later on. So because it's 6:37 right now. So now stop is getting bigger and bigger. So if we do break the high, so we'll see. So yeah, this is a good subject I want to talk about tonight. So hopefully that can help some people. And we'll go see if we have any question about that. Any comments? Let's go check it out. FX all day. What's up, Sasha? Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? So yeah, so hopefully that can help. The breakdown on GA, I think that was great. The breakdown on GJ, the rookie mistake. So make sure you wait for your confirmations, guys. Especially if you know that next candle, I mean, it's gonna open up and retrace down. This was such a rookie mistake, man. Was such a rookie mistake. And yeah, I'm really mad at myself. When you lose a trade that you're executing on your setups, on your confirmation that you used to do, and you lose that trade, that is fine. That is part of the game, and this is all good. You put your stop loss there, you put your TP there, and you accept the risk. Accept the risk. The problem is, okay, so this is another subject. Okay, we're going hardcore tonight. You guys ready? Okay, so you guys ready? Okay, so let's finish this subject because I don't want to jump into the other subject right away. But let's see your comment. I'm doing good, bro. Where's the beer, man? Cheers, bro. So yeah. So what I was saying. Yeah. So basically, when you enter a trade, the first thing you do is accept the risk. The money that you're going to put out there is the money at risk. When you put that trade in, you know that you can lose that money. And this is fine. If you're not okay with it, reduce your risk. That's it. I mean, it's okay to cut your losses short, but do not overmanage your trade. Okay? This is something mentality that I changed from the beginning. At the beginning I was like cutting my losses very short, over managing my trade, and I was basically choking my trades. I was basically choking my trades because it was going my way after that. The thing, like, when you cut your losses short, like by 2 pips, 3 pips, let's say your risk is like, I don't know, whatever, 1,000, and you're losing like 100. I mean, for me, it's like you're gambling. You're basically gambling because, I mean, if you're so stressed, I mean, why you're taking that trade? If you believe in yourself and believe in your own analysis and believe in what you do, I mean, put your stop loss there, and go with it. Accept the risk. I'm not saying, I'm not saying don't cut your losses short, but in the same time, I mean, are you gambling or are you actually trading? So this is really, really, really important, right? Because if you're trading, you did your work, you did your homework. I mean, you put your stop loss there, you're going there, right? So if price start to go down a little bit, I mean, relax, chill. Just like price needs air to breathe and do his thing. So this is something really, really, really important. I think a lot of people do overmanage their trade. And again, I'm not saying do not manage your trade, but do not over manage your trade. Okay, let it breathe. Let it breathe. Do not gamble. Take your time. And enter your trade. Cheers, man. So this trade, by the way, so if you just joined, this is not a trade right here. This is just a trade idea. If we do break the high, it's something maybe interesting. But yeah, that's it. All right, so let's see. Do we have any questions here? Let's see. Comment. Hey guys, we need to get to 10 likes at least. Come on, bro. Smash that like button. Let's see. This is good. What is the other thing I want to talk about? Oh, tomorrow morning, probably going to be the last stream for December. And the reason why is next week, I hired people to come paint my living room and my office and upstairs. So it's going to be a mess here. So I have to disconnect all my screen and, so probably not going to be trading next week or be trading from my laptop a little bit, but not going to be streaming or doing Zoom with student next week because it's going to be a mess over here. So tomorrow is going to be probably the last stream, except for Forex Talk Over Beer. Forex Talk Over Beer, I'm still going to do it. But tomorrow we're going to do, I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow. Okay. And the reason why is we reached 4K subscriber on YouTube. So thank you very much for your help, guys. So tomorrow morning we're going to do a giveaway. So make sure you tune in. Make sure you share that to people. Let them know that we're going to do a giveaway. It's going to be nice. And yeah. So let's see here. That's the thing with journaling too. It stops you from gambling as you have to justify the trade. Exactly. Yeah, I see too many people, like for me, it doesn't make sense, like closing a trade like at 2 pips, 4 pips in drawdown. It's just like, are you gambling or are you trading? So just like some people send me charts, they close at -4, -3. I mean, that's great, but they're also crying because they went like 50 pips their way. I was like, why you did that? So yeah. When you do Forex Talk Over Beer, you should just let the Zoom be open for people to join so we can all chill and drink with you all the time. Just keep the trading session closed to your students. Yeah, that's something possible. What we're gonna do, actually, my idea was actually to do a Christmas Forex Talk Over Beer and invite all people on Zoom and just have fun. Because Zoom is not open for Forex Talk Over Beer, actually. It's strictly on YouTube. But for that night, we're gonna do kind of a Forex Talk Over Beer Christmas party kind of thing. So I think it can be cool, just for a couple minutes, just to do a cheers all together, chit chat for a couple minutes, not a long thing, like a 10-minute thing, just to, hey, what's up, everyone, because it can get noisy with everyone. So, but I think it can be fun, Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah, you're right. All right, so let's take a look at gold right now. So it's flipping right now. So let's see. Can we break the high? Can we break the high? Oh, all right. So, oop. Why it's not entering my trade? Oh yeah, it did enter. Okay, perfect. It was kind of laggy. All right, so let's see. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Let's go gold. It was super laggy. I don't know why. I actually pressed, when it broke here, but I got a late entry. Look like my entry is like 17. Hold on, wait a second. 1784.49. 84.49. Like kind of right here. That's my entry. Oh yeah, I know why. Because the spread is like 3 pips. Holy. So oh, not even. Huh. Oh well. Perfect. So let's see what happened with this. Can we get a win here on Forex Talk Over Beer? First trade ever happened on Forex Talk Over Beer. This is just for fun. So if we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. That's all good. All right. So let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, guys. Let's go see some comments and questions. That Christmas idea sounds awesome. I'll be there. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right, guys. So if there's no question, I'm gonna let that trade run. And if it happened, it happened. And if it don't, it don't. Right? How much is this stuff? 11 pips for 24. Yeah, that makes sense. That's all good. So let's risk it. And anyways, it's only a very, very small risk. I'm risking 0.5%. So I'm not too crazy about it. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. So don't forget, make sure you tune in tomorrow morning. And we're gonna start. What time? What time frame is this? Okay, hold on. Wait a second. We got some question coming in. What time frame is this? This is the 30-minute time frame. You can always see the time frame right here, highlighted. So yeah, 30-minute time frame. This one. Any last question before we go? Hey, make sure to smash the like button, guys. All right, so any last question? No question? All right, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning on the same channel. Should start around like 6:30, 7. Those times I kind of start a little later because moves not happening. So just make sure you activate notifications so you'll know when we start the stream. All right, guys? So again, thank you so much for being here tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care, guys.